turn it off, hop on out, gather you guys up, share with you guys the history, the culture, the movies, talk story with you guys, and let you guys take it in, take photos, pack up, head to another stop there, and then we'll make our third and final stop in Hakipu'u. So it should be about 2 hours. It should be a beautiful day out there. Lots of awesome things to see. So we see this time as we're family with you guys. You are ohana for the next 2 hours. But we also, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. But we also really want to keep you guys safe. So we're gonna hit a few safety pointers before we get started. Throughout the tour, it is a guided tour, so I'll be in the front of the tour. Just stay nice and close behind me. We'll have all the vehicles lined up. Kuche will be in the back to help if anybody gets lost or has any problems. But we're going to have our drivers right now watch a safety video just to remind your drivers you are liable for your vehicles and for the safety of everyone in your vehicle. So we just want to really bring everybody back safe. We're going to have our drivers, if you guys can take a step up, have you guys watch